Click on the subscribe button and press this bell icon and stay tuned for more technology videos.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Tech Editions, and I'm back with another video. And today in this video I'll be going to show you that how can you use your pen drive as your PC RAM. So let's start this video. So friends, if you are a gamer like me, then you might have low RAM on your PC like 1 GB or 2 GB. But right now I currently installed 4 GB RAM on my PC because I am a gamer. But if you had low GB or 1 GB RAM, you might stuck between your game. So for that you need to connect your pen drive with your PC, and you can use your pen drive as your RAM. So first you need to connect your pen drive with your PC. Once you are connected, go to your My Computer, click on your pen drive and right click and go to the properties. And now in the properties, you can see the Ready Boost option. Don't worry if you don't see this Ready Boost option. Cut this and go back to your startup menu, and in your startup menu to search there services. And now you click on the services. And now in your services you have to scroll down and search Super Fetch. So I am just searching for it. Okay, so here we have got Super Fetch. Double click on it and you can see the startup type. For you it will be on manual, but we have to change this to the automatic. And once you have done this, hit the apply and it's done. So click on OK. Go back to your pen drive, click on the properties. Now you can see the Ready Boost option for available for you. Now you can select this one, use this device, and now you choose what MB would you like to use to make your pen drive as your RAM. So I'll just set this on max, which is 4094 MB. I would like to use this as my RAM. So just click on this apply one. That's it, and it will be processing right now, and you will be now able to use your pen drive as your PC RAM. And that is how it's done. So now you'd ask me that how can we use our pen drive normally. So now you have to go back to your pen drive, go to the properties, and now you can see the Ready Boost option and just click on do not use this device. That's it. Now you can be able to use your device normally as your pen drive. We have to wait for this process, let the process be done. And that's it. Now you'll be able to use your pen drive normally, not as your PC RAM. So friends, that's it for today in this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share this video with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the notifications so you don't miss any updates from Tech Editions. Bye, see you in my next video.